Hello everyone, welcome to Project 2 of our Electronics Engineering Kit series, powering a piezo buzzer. In this project, we'll be learning how to use an Arduino Nano to turn on a piezo buzzer and create sound. This project is intended to teach you about piezo buzzers, which are small electrical components that produce a sound when electricity is passed through it. If you want more information about resistors, Arduino Nanos, and breadboards, please be sure to refer to the previous video. Now, let's create our circuit. In the previous video, we connected our Arduino Nano onto our breadboard, and so the same step will occur. Then, we're going to place our piezo buzzer. Make sure to check which side is the positive end and which side is the negative end. If you look at the top, there will be a plus button where we want power added, and then there will be another symbol where the negative or the ground is placed. Like in the previous video, I like to have the ground on the left-hand side and the power on the right-hand side. So the same will occur. Now let's connect our resistor. Here I'll be connecting the negative part of the piezo buzzer to this negative rail. Make sure you're always pushing in your components all the way to make sure they're all electrically connected. Now let's place our wires. I'll use the dark colored wire for the ground, and so I will connect our negative rail to the ground of the Arduino. Now let's connect our other wire. We'll be connecting the positive end of our piezo buzzer to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. The reason for this is because the Arduino is programmable and the piezo buzzer is not able to produce a sound when 5 volts is applied to it, and it requires a certain special output to actually work. And I've programmed each of the Arduinos to produce that output only in digital pin 8. Now, let's add power to our circuit and see if a sound forms. To explain the circuit a little further, what we have is electricity flowing from this yellow wire into the positive end of the piezo buzzer. It's then passing through and going through the resistor and into the ground of the Arduino to fully connect our circuit. Congratulations, you've completed Project 2 of the Electronics Engineering Kit series.